What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you step by step on how to earn free Bitcoin. You don't need to invest your money, you don't need to do anything. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step how to earn free Bitcoin online, free registration. Okay, it doesn't require any money to register. Okay, because here on my channel what I do here is that I go out there, I try things out. When they work for me, I come right here on my channel to show you what I have done, which means that if you follow my step-by-step process, you also get the exact same result I got. So guys, in this video today I will show you how to earn free Bitcoin online. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, I thank you so much for coming back to check what I have on my channel. So guys, without wasting time, let me go to my screen now to show you how to earn free Bitcoin online. Alright guys, welcome back. So to earn the free Bitcoin, kindly use the link below the description of this video. Click the link and it will take you to this place. Okay, now I have to log in. Immediately I log in, I will show you how much Bitcoin I have earned from this website. So I'll log in using my email address. Log in now using my email address right now. Is loading right now. Alright guys, so here it says, can you see how much Bitcoin I have earned? I've earned 0.00221 BTC. Okay, this is the Bitcoin I have earned. Okay, this like this is also 0.00221 BTC. Alright, so this is my dashboard. If I want to withdraw, I'll click on withdrawal, and this is deposit if I want to deposit, but I'm not going to deposit. I'm going to show you how to earn free Bitcoin online. Okay, so here when you create an account, kindly go to free BTC here, just click on free BTC. This is where you have to earn. Okay, there's a button below. When you click on it, it will roll, and after rolling you see that the BTC will be added here. Okay, here now it is roll, it says roll. Okay, so if I click on roll, it will roll. Can you see the BTC have added here? It was 0.00221, but it's now 0.00222. okay, so this is how you can earn free BTC. You can do this every 1 hour. Okay, you come back here and roll again. When you roll, the BTC will be added. In next 1 hour, you come again and roll, BTC will also be added here. So guys, this is how you can earn free BTC. And there is another method you can use to earn free BTC on this platform, is by referring. Okay, it's by referring your members or your friends. All right, it says here, for each registered user on your referral link, you get 0.0010 BTC. Okay, so I'll click on get link here. Make sure you use my link or in the description box of this video. Okay, and register. You're not going to pay anything, just use the link. You're not going to pay anything. All right, use the link and register your account, then you start earning free Bitcoin on this platform. So guys, if you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, then smash on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I release an update. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.